And the next award that Bhubaneswar is going to be giving out is for transforming mobility through advanced orthopedics, minimally invasive arthroscopy surgery and joint replacement. And our winner is...
The Department of Orthopaedics, Joint Replacement and Sports Surgery at Kalinga Hospital Limited is a leading center of excellence dedicated to restoring mobility, relieving pain and enhancing quality of life. Backed by a team of highly skilled orthopedic surgeons and advanced medical technology, the department offers comprehensive care across joint replacement, spine surgery, trauma management, sports injury, arthroscopy and complex musculoskeletal disorders. Equipped with state-of-the-art operation theatres featuring advanced 4K arthroscopy systems, the department specializes in the treatment of sports and ligament injuries, including those affecting elite athletes. It also runs an internationally recognized ISA KOS approved fellowship program, training orthopedic surgeons from across India in arthroscopy and sports surgery. Through innovation, precision, rehabilitation and patient-centric care, the department continues to set new benchmarks in orthopedic excellence.